Now, this is the Fox 11 News at 10.
The Delta variant sweeping through Southern California. Here in L.A., an alarming 366% increase in hospitalizations as health officials worry.
L.A. County health officials report a 366% increase in hospitalizations today compared to 1 month ago. Good evening, I'm Alex Michaels.
And I'm Christine Devine. It's not only L.A. County seeing a spike, the same reported in Orange and San Bernardino counties. Coco McAvoy joining us live with more. Coco?
Good evening. Health officials say the Delta variant is responsible for the spike in COVID cases, and they're also seeing younger patients in the hospital, too.
This virus has been waging a war on humanity for the past 18 months.
And the COVID-19 war is nowhere near over. The latest data from LA County shows a stark rise in infections and hospitalizations, with the latter rising by 366% in 1 month alone. Dr. Thomas Yadigar sees the rise at his hospital in Tarzana.
It's exponentially increased over the past few weeks to the point that we actually have more patients in our hospital now than we did last summer.
Many of the patients are younger and healthier, and data across the U.S. shows a rise in hospitalizations for kids, too.
We have seen an increasing number of pediatric patients becoming hospitalized.
LA County isn't the only hotspot. Orange County is seeing its highest number of hospitalizations in 6 months. And Dr. Victor Waters says San Bernardino County is in bad shape, too.
That in San Bernardino County, we're seeing consistently a rise. I can say that we've seen over 100% rise in cases since last week.
The patients are coming to hospitals with serious symptoms.
They're often very sick, and they get sick very quickly, requiring oxygenation to supplement their breathing. And some even require to be intubated and put on a ventilator.
The most dominant group in the hospital is unvaccinated patients, and vaccination numbers for communities of color are still concerning.
They need to hear the need to get vaccinated from healthcare workers, physicians like myself, who is African American, who has been pushing this vaccine for several months to the community, making sure they understand that the myths out there are simply not true.
With the rise in infections and hospitalizations, doctors are concerned about what's to come.
I don't think any of us expected to be dealing with this circumstance in the middle of summer, which is a very, very ominous sign of what's going to come in the fall and the winter.
And the FDA has now approved a third booster shot for people with compromised immune systems. Reporting live this evening, I'm Coco McAvoy, Fox 11 News.